Hey, today we're going to bring a printer, a little label maker printer. Very elegant. It looks very classy. Of course, it has a Type C so you could charge it up. And right now we're going to power it up and set it up on our phone to print out some labels. And we could pretty much start out of the box to print out things. So to open it up, first of all, you got to open it up and make sure that you set up the paper, right? The instructions are included with it. They're very thorough. They have an actual a barcode that will send you out to their tutorials and also instructions on how to install it and the application too. So, all right, we're going to download the application for the printer. All right, it's called Print Master. Just be aware they do make it for ISO or Droid. So let's go ahead and set it up. All right, just make sure you set the paper as is. This part has to be in the area, in the black area here. We close it up. All right, we're going to print out our own label now. So we're going to go to light mode, all right? And we're going to type in we're going to create Frank the Tank. And then all we got to do is just click anywhere you want. And you can make the letters. You could do two number of copies and so forth. So right now, you're just going to click away and it's going to start printing out automatically. There it is. You push the button. And there you have it. Awesome device. You could use it for any kind of label you want. Hope you guys enjoy the video.